In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restrict access to open or edit an Excel workbook. First, open the Excel workbook you want to protect. Once it is open, look at the top left corner of the Excel window. You will see a tab labeled File. Click the File tab to move to the Backstage or Document Settings area. This is where Excel lets you control how the file is saved and what protection options you can apply. After you click File, the screen will change to show options related to saving, sharing, and managing the workbook. Next, find and select Save As. This choice is important because the password protection settings are applied when you save with those options. Click Save As to bring up the saving panel where you can choose a location and file type. Now, within that Save As panel, you will notice a Browse button. Click the Browse button. This will open the standard Save As window, which includes additional options for file handling. As you do this, take a quick look at the bottom or side area of that window, because the next option is hidden in a drop-down menu near the Save button. With the Save As window open, locate the Tools drop-down button next to the Save button. This drop-down holds more advanced settings related to the saved file. Click the Tools drop-down button, and then a small menu will appear with several items. From that menu, select General Options. When you click General Options, Excel displays the fields where you can set passwords for opening and modifying the workbook. Now that the General Options dialog box is open, you will see two password-related text boxes. One is labeled Password to Open. In that box, type the password you want to require for opening the workbook. This means the workbook will not be accessible unless the correct password is entered when someone tries to open the file. Next to that, you will see the other field labeled Password to Modify. Type the edit password into that text box. This controls editing permission. Even if someone has the password to open the workbook, they will need the modify password to make changes, depending on the protection behavior Excel enforces. Once both passwords are entered, you are ready to confirm them. Click OK in the General Options dialog box. Excel will then ask you to re-enter the passwords to confirm they were typed correctly. This confirmation step matters because it prevents mistakes caused by typos or unintended extra spaces. When the confirmation prompt appears, re-enter both passwords exactly as you entered them before. Take your time here. Ensure the characters match, including capitalization and any special characters. Then click OK to finalize the settings. At this point, return to the Save As window and click Save. Saving is the last step that actually applies the password protection to the workbook file. Depending on your file location and settings, Excel may complete the save operation and return you to your spreadsheet, ready for you to close it or continue working with the protected version. After saving, it can be helpful to remember what you have just configured. You have required a password to open the workbook, and you have also required a password to modify it. That gives you control over both access and editing, which is especially useful when you share spreadsheets with other people or store sensitive data. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.